Hi, in front of me is CUBOT X20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this CUBOT. Firstly, open settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose security and location, tap on face unlock and choose enroll face. Then enter your current login method, read the disclaimer, click on start enroll, read the instructions and tap on OK. Now you need to go back, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!